Hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to do this project share video. I made this super cute file folder flipbook. It's my first one and I think it came out really cute. And I've seen a few file folder videos, so I figure I'd take a little piece from everybody and kind of make it my own. But this is what it looks like. And everything comes out. So here I just added some rosettes that you can take out. The same thing with this one, you can take them out. So everything basically you can just take out. And then here I added this cute little die. It's like a bookmark with a teddy bear. And it goes there. And then when you turn it, a little pocket with a whole bunch of little cutouts. Super cute. And then we got this side. And then you open it, and here you have some tags and all these things you can come out. And then flip it this way. More like paper clips. All these things come out too. And then here I added a die, stamp set I mean. And it says hello. So that goes in there. And then I put like the little closure so it ties up here. Okay, I'm not gonna tie it now, but that. And then I found this, and I thought it was so cute since I'm doing kind of like a popsicle theme. I found this ice cream, and it's a stamp and an embossing folder. So I'll gift that also. But I wanted to show you real quick how I made my file folder flipbook. So these folders I get from the job. Shh. So what I did is I cut it in half. Okay, so once I cut it in half, then I did a slit in the middle, which I almost end up cutting the whole damn thing. And then on this side, I cut these ends. And what I do is I just fold that, put that in the middle, like slide it. Just hold on. Just slide it, and don't worry if it gets wrinkled because you're gonna cover that anyway. And then once you take it out from here, you line it up to however you want. Gotta kind of slide it. You see how everything kind of slides? And there is your file folder already there. And then just reinforce it with tape or whatever. And what I did was I make sure it's the size that I want lined up, and then I just kind of trim the edge if I don't want that, and then it looks like this. And then basically you just fold whichever way you want. It's just a whole bunch of folding, and wherever you want a pocket, you know, obviously you glue your edges, you seal it, and you have a pocket. And basically that's it. So you can fold it however you want. And this one, it's funny because once I did this one, I had another strip here, but then once I put the hole, I forgot I wasn't able to close it, so I had to cut that piece off. That's why it doesn't have this flap. I end up cutting this flap here. So just remember that if you're going to do these little holes. That's why I was able to cut it. But that's it. Just wanted to show you my quick little adorable flip book. I hope you guys like it. Bye.